Hello everyone, this is Ali from Temax Hardware. Today I will introduce this new hinge model HB309 to you. This is a small angle hydraulic hinge and it's suitable for aluminum frame doors, which is easy to install and highly versatile for cabinets. Its quality is excellent and the opening and closing times can reach 30 seconds. What's more, this hinge can play a buffering role even if the opening and closing angle is less than 30 degrees. For example, when we open this hinge and closing, this hinge can avoid the sound caused by the collision of the panels and the reduction of the lifespan. And it has good mute effect and a smooth process of opening and closing. And then let me introduce the statistics of our hinge. The hinge's material is iron and the surface treatment is nickel plated. And the hydraulic cylinder is made of plastic. The drilling slot length is about 28 mm. And the opening angle is 115 degrees. We often use this hinge for aluminum profile with horizontal width of 20 to 22 mm. Using this hinge, you can close your cabinet softly and closely. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.